In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Xbox without controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to play on your Xbox console, regardless of the generation, so new gen, Series S or X, or even OG Xbox One, and you don't have access to a controller, I'm gonna show you some alternative options to get this done. You will be able to navigate through all of the menus and potentially play your game. Now, the most straightforward way to do this, and the one that I would highly recommend, is using a cheap keyboard and mouse. You can simply connect the keyboard and mouse to your Xbox. Usually this will be done by plugging them into any of the available USB ports. It doesn't need to be a specific mouse and keyboard model. Any compatible USB mouse and keyboard will be able to be used. You will be able to navigate through the menus. However, the actual game support is going to differ for every single game. Some games, like GTA 5 for example, will not have keyboard and mouse support, but others, like Minecraft, will have full support instead. So the best course of action would be to connect the keyboard and mouse and see if a specific game that you would like to play has support. And if it does, then you can use it natively without any issues, and you don't need to use a controller to navigate through the menus, open the game, and so on. Alternatively, if you just want to do basic tasks and not actually play a game, the Xbox application is a good alternative. In here, you will be able to download games from your library. So if you wanted to, for example, update something before going to bed and just leave it updating throughout the night, then just download the app and you will be able to remotely download any sort of game. But the Xbox app will not allow you to play games, so keep that in mind. You cannot use it to actually play most games on your Xbox unless you do something like remote play, but using the smartphone controls is not recommended. So the best course of action in this case is going to be to use a keyboard and mouse and see if a specific game that you want to play has support for those peripherals. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Xbox without controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.